Hi, this is Mike J. Welcome back to the channel. What I want to talk about here today is the 2024 Mustang GT 5.0 liter Coyote motor with its typewriter barbecue Tic. I was curious and went on some of these Mustang forums. Comes to find out that there had already been several complaints about the 2024 Coyote barbecue typewriter Tic. There was a commenter that commented that he had bought a dark horse and he had the oil changed at 920 miles and he got the car back with the typewriter Tic, brand new dark horse. And also there was another guy that had posted on one of the forums saying that he bought a regular premium GT and he only had like less than 1,100 miles on it, and he developed the typewriter Tic as well. But the guy that I'm talking about that has the regular GT, he actually made a video and posted it on the forum, which is in the YouTube format. And if you want to listen to it, his channel is called MV, and if you would just go onto your YouTube and search MV Mustang Tic, his is the only video as of now that shows up. It's a very short video, but his car has only got like less than 1,100 miles on it, and it's already ticking like no tomorrow. Nevertheless, my 24 back there has about 500 miles on it. I don't have any noises like that at all. So it ceased to amaze me how the 2024, being that this is I suppose a new generation Coyote motor, is still making those kind of noises, and especially when the car hasn't even had its first oil change. On the previous years, most of the cars didn't start making noises until after the first oil change. But now it seems like people that buy these cars, at least who's willing to talk about it and post about it, off the bat, these new cars are already starting to make noises. The new ones have gone to a 5W30 weight oil, so they no longer use the 5W20. So we figure that that may be a thicker oil to solve the Tic issues, but evidently it's still the same noise as we've always heard in the past. So the thing is, should you buy one of these new Mustangs? Well, it's really up to you. I mean, it's really a crapshoot, you know. I bought one. I had a 21 that didn't have it. I mean, I'm talking recent, you know, these last few years. I had a 21, didn't have it. It had tranny wine. Oh, by the way, the guy that I'm talking about, MV, that has the regular GT, not only that he has the typewriter barbecue Tic, he's got a tranny wine as well to his car. So there isn't that many out there as far as 2024s, but then again, they didn't really sell a lot of these cars, and these are the ones that I came across, and I guess there are still problems popping up. Nothing has really changed as far as the characteristics of this new Coyote motor. But anyways, as time will go, we'll see. But it used to be that it didn't happen until the oil was changed, and now it just seems like anywhere from 1,000 miles, 920 miles, you're hearing it tick away. But anyways, I'm not scared. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment. Tap the notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.